here. Welcome to FLUIDSTOCK. This is my best attempt at looking sort of like a hippie. I don't think I did that great, but I tried. Anyways, FLUIDSTOCK is a super fun collaboration with a ton of artists, and we're all doing our own techniques with the same colors. So we picked any technique that we wanted and we just used the same set of 6 colors. And I think I may have gone a little over achiever on this one. I did a 3-panel set, but I'm really excited about it and I think that you guys are going to love it. If you have not checked out the artists that have gone before me, I'm going to post the entire lineup down in the description of this video, so make sure you check out the earlier ones. And once you're done watching this video, make sure you head on over to the Fine Art of Distractions channel because that's the next artist in this super fun collab series. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the project, and make sure you stay all the way until the very end to enjoy the entirety of the fun. Let's go. So for my project, I have decided I am going to do a hairdryer pour. Now, I have this vision of just kind of this beautiful splatter of colors, and I'm doing this on 3 canvases. So it's going to be a triptych, and these are each 10 by 20 inch canvases. I am really excited. This is going to be super bright and colorful. All of the paints that I'm using are mixed media girl pouring paints. So I am going to start off with some white, and I'm going to get the canvases covered to begin with. And this will make it so that the piece is nice and bright without having to use quite as much paint. I'm going to blow this around to begin with. I'm using a Remington hairdryer, and I'm going to use this on cold air the entire time, and then I'll kind of fluctuate between high and low air, and it does have the little platypus attachment here. So here we go. Quite full coverage, but that's okay. I'm not super worried about it, and I'm pretty anxious to get my colors on here. We're going to be adding more paint, so this is kind of just to give a basic base coat. All right, so I'm starting off with some yellow, and this in my library of colors is called primary yellow. Next, I'm using actually a custom orange. So I'm going to kind of overlap some of that yellow here. Next, I'm going to use a green. This is an electric green called Electric Lime. Get a little more yellow in here. I'm going to kind of overlap that with a metallic blue. This one's called Malibu Sky. Next, I'm going to add some electric purple. Trying to do as many neons as possible, but not all neon. We'll get a little bit over here. And lastly, some electric pink. Kind of ran out of space, but that's okay. Let's overlap some of that orange over here. Now I do have a couple contrasting colors I want to get in here. So this is just a royal purple. It's a nice deep purple. Then also a little bit of this deep sea, which is essentially a navy blue. Okay. I think this is pretty good. I want to add a little more lime green back in. And now for the fun / scary part. We're gonna see if this comes out like it is in my head or if it comes out like a hot mess. Here we go again with the hairdryer, and I think I'm gonna just do the entire thing on high. So it should go pretty fast. Here we go. Overall, very happy. There's a couple spots I want to do just a little bit more work on. There's quite a massive stretch of orange over here, so I'm going to break that up with just a little more yellow. Couple corners that I didn't quite get over here, so I'm going to add, first of all, a little bit more white paint. And then just a little more of some colors. Like I don't have a lot of pink in here, so I'm gonna add that kind of back in here. Got a decent amount of blue, decent amount of green. I actually think I could use maybe a little more purple. So here's a little more electric purple and just a dash more royal purple over here. Over here, I'm going to add a dash more of the deep sea. And I think that's probably fine. Let's go in here with the hairdryer one more time. right, I think that is pretty perfect. So I am going to separate these pieces gently. Luckily, there's enough paint on here that it should kind of get automatic coverage on those insides, just in case anybody's worrying about it. But I will also double check as I go around and make sure that all sides are fully covered. I'm then gonna raise the pieces up and bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, we're gonna start over here with the right panel. We've got just some beautiful colors in here, some beautiful reactions, and primarily purple, pink, and blue on this one. But we've got a little bit of the green over here. And then the middle panel has all the colors. So it's definitely the most exciting, I guess you could say. Super pretty. We've got some gorgeous lacing over here. I love it. And then the far left panel over here, which is primarily orange and yellow with a little dash of pink in there and some of the green. So stay tuned on this video. Don't leave just yet because we're gonna come back and see how these look tomorrow. We're back and this is completely dry. So I could not be happier. I think this is gorgeous. I am super happy with how bright and colorful it is. And I'm also super happy that I did it as a triptych. I think that just added to it. So here is the middle panel, which is my favorite. It's got the most colors in here. Got some beautiful cells over here with the Malibu sky. And beautiful convergence of all the colors in the middle here. Love, love, love it. And here is the final panel over here to the right. And you can see over here with that Malibu sky, we got some beautiful lacing with the white. So it's just some great reactions and patterns all throughout. All right, guys. So there you have it. Super fun and colorful 3-panel hairdryer pour. I love it. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for joining me. I had a lot of fun making that piece. It just makes me smile to look at it, and I really hope it made you smile as well. Now, please, please, please do me a favor and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, make sure you do so. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And then also head on over to the Fine Art of Distractions channel for the next video in this collab series. The link will be down in the description. And see you all next time.